So Kathleen, I'm on a PC. I'm looking at some JPEGs right now. So I'm going to go to this JPEG, and I'm going to open it up. And then I'm going to go to up here to the print icon. And I'm going to choose, go over here, this drop-down menu. There's a thing called Microsoft Print to PDF. And so then I click on print. Click on print. Where's print? Where's my? Oh, I have to looking at my phone. Come on, print. Where is my mouse? I lost my mouse. Oh, there it is. I'm going to click on print. And then I'm going to click. You have to give it a name, so I'm just going to call it. I'll call it. Test. Oops. Where is it? Test 12720. Test 12720. And then I'm going to click down here on save. And you have to kind of know where you're going to save it. So I'm saving it now on my desktop, but you probably want to put these in a folder somewhere. Make a folder, save them in there. Okay. And now if I minimize this and I go to my desktop, I'll minimize all this stuff here. Okay, there it is. So test, double click on that. Is it open? Come on. Taking for a long time. Anyway, that's how it works. So there we go. Now it's opening up. Okay. All right. Hope that helps.